7 students. Welcome to our new video and meeting you after Diwali vacation. So now we are going to start with our SEM 2. So our first chapter is chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. So open your textbooks. We are going to start with this new chapter.
And bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. Substance taste sour because they contain acid. So substance they taste sour. That is why? Because it contains acid. The chemical nature of such substance is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word which means sour. The acid in this substance are natural acid. What about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between finger, it feels soapy. So, baking soda, it does not taste sour. It is bitter. And when you rub by your hands, it feels like soapy. Generally, substances like this which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. So, these substances are basic in nature. If we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? A special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. So, all substances we are not able to taste. So, we test with this substances with certain indicators. Okay, these substances are known as indicators. We add indicators to it so we can determine whether the substance is acidic or basic. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Turmeric, litmus, china rose petals, etc. are some of the natural occurring indicators. So, these are the indicators from which we can determine whether the substances are acidic or bases. When we add this indicator to a substance, the color changes and we can determine whether the substance is acidic or basic. You see the pictures here, it is given lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, amla. They taste sour, so that they are acidic. While baking soda, bitter gourd, cucumber, green vegetable, they taste bitter and these are bases. Then acids and bases. Cannot identify the nature of substance by tasting it. So acidic and basic, but we use some indicators we are using, okay, to determine whether it is acidic or bases. Base is based on concentration, concentrated or dilute acids. When an aqueous solution has a relatively high percentage of acid dissolved in it, so it is concentration. When 50 ml of water plus 100 ml of acid, okay, the water is less, okay, it is concentrated solution. And dilute, when an aqueous solution has a relatively low percentage of acid dissolved in it, so here the acid percentage that is low, so it is dilute, and here the percentage of acid is high, that is why it is concentrated, okay. Then based on presence of oxygen, that is oxyacid and hydroacid, acid that consist oxygen in their composition. So here the acids that contains oxygen, okay, H2SO4, HNO3. Then hydroacid, those they contain hydrogen combined with other elements and do not contain any oxygen in their composition. So here there is no oxygen. Example HCl and HBr. So they are called as hydroacid, okay, and this is oxyacid where it consists of oxygen. Can you see the acids? Okay, in vinegar, which acid is present? So, acetic acid. In curd, lactic acid. In dal, amino acid. Then, tamarind, which acid is present? Tartaric acid. Lemon, that is citric acid. And ascorbic acid. Then, the types of acid based on strength: strong acid and weak acid. So, strong acids, usually mineral acids are strong acid, highly corrosive, usually dangerous and cause burns on skin. So, this strong acid, they burn skin. Example are nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Then the weak acid, usually organic acids are weak. generally edible. So they are citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid and ascorbic acid. So these are weak acids, and similarly these are the strong acids. About the indicators. Litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. Can you see the picture lichens? It has mu, that is purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. So when it is added to an acid solution, it turns red in color, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue in color. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips or paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue indicators, that is phenolphthalein, methyl orange and bromophenols blue. Okay, these are the indicators. Then the natural occurring indicators, that is turmeric, litmus and China rose. These are the indicators used to determine acidic or basic substance. Substances which on mixing with other substances changes in their color, that is indicators. Can you see? Used to identify whether the substance is an acidic or a base. When we add the indicator into the substance, according to that we can acidic or basic color. So these are the indicators. When we add indicator to a substance, the color changes, and according to that we can determine whether the substance is acidic or basic. Now what is neutralization? Salt and water are neither acidic nor basic. They are called neutral solution. The process of obtaining neutral solution is called neutralization. So acid plus base, neutralization, salt and water. So this is called as neutralization process. Now let us see neutralization in everyday today life. Ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid, that is formic acid, into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. So we can neutralize by moist baking soda, or we can apply the calamine solution when ant bites. Then the soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. So plants don't grow when the soil is more acidic or it is more basic. So when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime. So if the soil is acidic, so what is added to the soil? Bases such as quicklime or slake, like this is calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter, that is compost, is added to it. Organic matter releases acid which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Then the factory waste. The waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. So when the waste from the factories which contain acids, they are allowed to flow in the water, they kills the fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding bases. So what is added? Bases are added to it, and then it is released into the water. I hope you all are clear with this chapter, that is acid and bases and salt. So related to this, I am going to send you all worksheet. You are going to write down those question answers in your notebook. Students, this is the scientific reason, that is explain why you are going to write down this in your notebook.